What's up YouTube, my name is Nejc Filipič, welcome back, and as far as you can see my room got changed. So I actually got extended my room for half more of my previous room, which now have bed and a lot of stuff. But I'm here to I went to electricity shop and I bought this one, Techno, it's Trust Micro USB microphone. So because I haven't opened it yet, let's open it up. Okay, so here we go. I don't know what to expect or so on, so let's open it up. Here you have to go with scissors, I guess, I'm not sure exactly. I don't know why they put it so together. Okay, so now I'm just gonna open here. Open it up like that. Here we go. Now it seems nice, so that's for stand, I guess. You can put it like this. Oh, it have snapping, okay, so it snaps. And this is the microphone. That's a USB if you have direct microphone. So I guess you put it inside here. I mean, it's not that complicated, but it seems nice. And then you put it up and put this inside your computer, and let's try test it out. Okay guys, so we're gonna take the audio import aux and let's see if it works. Let's do it right now. Okay guys, so I'm testing now the new microphone. Basically when you go, I changed the input to MICO. Actually, you have to rename it. I put the name MICO because that's the microphone. And then I boosted it to fullest, so if you go additional device settings, you can go to levels, and I just boosted this because it was too quiet. So let's listen how it is when I'm listening to video, for example. Yeah, its loudness is similar, so yeah, that's microphone. Okay guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching and hopefully we'll see you next video. Goodbye.